is exactly how I got monetized in 3 weeks in 2025 on YouTube, aka the hardest platform to monetize. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, of course I will need for you to subscribe, okay? Like the video if you like the information I'm giving to you. Please do not be afraid to leave me a comment and let me know if you need clarity on anything, or if you just have other questions or anything like that. I am gonna go through this pretty quickly because, as you can see, I'm in the car. As you can see, it's hot outside, and I'm in the back seat, and I had to bring you back here for my OGs. You know what I'm saying? This is where my content journey started at, right here. Same car, same place, and I'm here. And I'm gonna let you know how you can get monetized. This video is strictly about how you can get monetized on YouTube, aka the hardest platform to monetize on, in 3 short weeks. I did it in 3 short weeks, but I'm telling you, you need, first thing first, dedication. No excuse is a good excuse. So what I want you to do is grab a pen and paper. Once you get your pen and paper, please write down every excuse that you have that is stopping you from recording a video. I'm gonna wait. What's stopping you from recording a video? And if you need help, put it in the comment section, because I'll help you. I'll debunk an excuse, baby. I was a debt collector for 5 years. I know how to get rid of an excuse for you. But what I want you to do, honestly, like all jokes aside, write down what the excuse is, what's holding you back from creating content, and I want you to ball it up, and I want you to throw that shit away. It's done. The excuses are over. It's 2025. Let's get to the business so we can know all of the proper steps on how you can monetize in 2025. Okay, now that the excuses is gone, we can get out the door. So the first thing that you're gonna need is to download the YouTube app, of course, and already have your YouTube account created, of course. And before you start making videos, before you make a video, before you post a video, before you say I don't know how to edit, before you come up with another, download YouTube Studio. So once you download YouTube Studio is going to let you sign in with your YouTube account. And once you have the YouTube Studio installed, you're able to track your monetization. I'm going to pull up mine over here. It doesn't really look the same because I'm already a couple of sections down here on the bottom. So once you download YouTube Studio, you're going to go to the earn section. Now, once you're in the earn section, that's actually going to show you what you need for monetization. So as of now, and I'm making this video on April 8th, 2025. I don't know how long or soon it is that you see this video. I don't know if the metrics will change, but right now it is April 8th of 2025. You need 4,000 public watch hours and you need 1,000 subscribers. It sounds like a lot, but let me tell you, I'm not just gonna tell you what you need to get to monetization. I'm gonna give you information on how you can do it. I haven't went viral yet. Well, I went viral on TikTok. I guess viral. I haven't hit 1 million views on any video that I've ever posted yet. Let's just say that. So I haven't went viral yet. But it's coming. Maybe this video gonna get me there. You gonna share it with your friend, or you gonna keep the information to yourself. You're a little selfish. That's okay. That's okay. I'm a little selfish too, but it's okay. We gonna get that together. Anyways, so once you download the YouTube Studio, you're going to track your information on there, and it seems like a lot. Now you can get 1,000 subscribers and 3,000 public watch hours, and that gives you partial monetization. Partial monetization, yeah, but I want the big dog, Starchiana. That's okay. Let's get what we gonna get, because once you get to the partial monetization, you can enter like the supers and stuff into your chat. So if you go live, make sure you write that down, because we're gonna touch back on that in just a moment. Once you go live, people can send you a super chat. If you're not familiar with super chats is like basically like gifts. People can send you a gift. It's gonna give them a highlighted message. Make sure you praise them and you're appreciative. I don't care if the super chat is 99 cents. That's 99 cents that you didn't have, okay? But you can start getting super chats at 3,000 public watch hours. I know we haven't made it to the part where we talk about how to knock down those watch hours. The watch hours is the big goal. We're gonna chop it down. We're gonna chop it down. We're gonna chop it down. And I'm gonna insert proof to show you that it can be done, because I've done it. So stay with me, okay? So once you get to the 3,000 public watch hours, again, you can get super chats. I done explain what super chats are and what super chats do. Now, to get to the 4,000 watch hours, that's when you're able to add the ads into your video. YouTube don't pay you. Google AdSense pay you. But Google owns YouTube, so they kind of intertwine. I'm a YouTuber. I guess I can say that. Can I say that? It don't matter. But anyways, YouTube doesn't pay you. Google AdSense pay you, and you need the 4,000 public watch hours to get to put the ads in your video. My thing that I learned from my mentor, I pay for the game that I'm giving y'all. I just want y'all to know that I had to pay, and I'm giving it to y'all. My mentor gave us the advice to make our videos at least 9 minutes long. I know, Starchiana, that seems like so much. I'm so used to TikTok making a 1 minute video and getting paid. Me too. But you're gonna have to do a little bit more. I told you this is the hardest platform to monetize on. But that means the bad good, right? Oh, okay, you're gonna have to do a little bit more. But again, keep in mind, I haven't got to everything. At the end of this video, I'm gonna break down every single thing that I did to get monetized in 3 weeks, okay? So, those videos, you want to get into the habit of making those 9 minute videos. Once you get into the habit of making those 9 minute videos, when you're monetized, it's going to be easy. So why not practice now? Oh, I don't have no followers, nobody's watching. Okay, you're not doing it for the followers, you're not doing it for somebody to watch you. You're doing it for practice. This is my practice. You better catch me while I'm little. You better catch me before I blow up. You better catch me before I don't even realize that you sent me a message. You know what I'm saying? Catch me. That's the goal. So use this time that you're not monetized, that you're not making money, as practice. So when you start making money, you're not trying to get there. Hopefully that makes sense what I'm saying. So still make 9 minute videos. Find stuff that you can make videos about. And if y'all want me to do another video about, like, say if your goal is your niche is crocheting, if you want me to give you like ideas on your niche, drop it down in the comments what you want your niche to be. I do not mind making a video talking about different ideas that you can use for your niche. Okay, I don't mind doing that. Okay, so now that we went over making the long form videos, you're gonna record your phone. Record horizontally, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, horizontal. Hamburger, how they used to say it in school. Hot dog, hamburger. For YouTube videos, for your screen to feel like if you're watching a YouTube video on your TV and it fills the whole screen, we need hamburger. Okay, horizontal. And that's how you're gonna record your videos. For like YouTube shorts, because that's the thing as well, we'll definitely touch on that. For YouTube shorts, you want to record hot dog, vertical. Okay. Now if you want to monetize from YouTube shorts, that's an option as well, and I do recommend to post shorts because it's quicker to go viral or get over 1,000 views posting YouTube shorts. But the thing is, the criteria is different. You need 4,000 public watch hours on your long form videos, the 9 minutes and above. Well, not even 9 minutes, like 3 minutes. I think the requirement, don't quote me too much on this part, again, I'm still new. I only got 3,000. Oh, I got 4,000 subscribers. But I think the requirement, like anything over 3 minutes and 6 seconds, I think is considered long form. Don't quote me, but I'll check. The short videos, like the 1 minute videos that you post on TikTok and stuff, you need 10 million views within 90 days to get monetized. I don't really know how you gonna get that. I ain't never seen it. I ain't gonna say I never seen it. Well, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Yeah, I never seen it. Some people have done it. I'm not saying that it can't be done, but I've never seen it personally. So I mean, if you do it, let me know, because I want the juice like you, okay? But anyways, for real. So the next point that we're going to get to is, we talked about the requirements. So now let's talk about how can I meet those requirements, Tarchiana? How did you do it in 3 weeks? You said 3 weeks. I clicked this video because you said 3 weeks, and I don't have 3 years or 3 months to be waiting. You said 3 weeks, so we're going to hold you accountable. How did you get monetized in 3 weeks on the hardest platform? Don't fight me. I got you. I'm gonna let you know. I'm not gatekeeping. Get your pen and paper. Nothing else stuck out to you. You don't feel like nothing is beneficial. I'm telling you now, go live. When you go live, it is very important that you understand that it's gonna be trolls. It's gonna be people that's coming attacking you or talking junk or what. It's gonna be that. But that's the real world. So when I first went live, nobody told me this, and I paid for mentorships and stuff like that to help me with content creation because I didn't know. Nobody gave me that information. And all the videos that I watch on YouTube, nobody is talking about this. Like, do y'all just not know? Or are y'all like, I don't want to assume that y'all gatekeeping, but I'm not gatekeeping because it's enough for all of us. Go live. Once you go live, there's gonna be people that come in your room, and don't kick out the trolls or whatever the case may be. Let them stay, because that's gonna go towards your watch hours. Exactly how I got monetized in 3 weeks in 2025 on YouTube, aka the hardest platform to monetize. Don't take nothing else from me. Go live. Commit to going live at least like an hour a day. That's what I did. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I did. All right, I'm not going off the notes. I'm gonna tell you straight from memory, like what I did, what I still do. Go live. Once you go live, there's gonna be people in your room. What I want you to do is study first before you go live. When I say study, Tatiana, what is that? I'm gonna tell you, I got you. I'm a girl's girl, and I'm here for the guys too. When I say study, I mean study and see what your competitors are doing. How do you find a competitor? Let me know if you want another video of that, because I don't want to make this video entirely too long for the people that don't need that. But if you want to know how do you find your competitors and what does finding your competitors do for you to get monetized, or for you to be able to be successful at YouTube, leave it in the comment section. I will definitely make another video about that, because that's a whole nother subject. Find your competitors, see what people is doing, and go live. You're not copying them, you're mimicking success. That's exactly what I get from my Peach McIntyre. If you haven't taken any of Peach McIntyre classes, she's the reason why I know everything I know about content creation. Anyways, so for me, I like to go live early in the morning. I get up early in the morning. I am in a high spirit early in the morning. I get a lot done early in the morning, and I can dedicate an hour of my time to going live early in the morning. I go live early in the morning. At first, it started off slow. Like 10 people in the room, 6 people in the room, 7 people in the room, 20, 30, 200, 400. I remember calling my brother like, hey, oh my God, I reached 400 people in my room today. Oh, I reached 600 people. Oh, I got 800 people. Before you knew it, I was hitting thousands of people in my room on live. Remind you, 3 weeks. So it's not like you got to be big. You don't got to be famous. You don't got to be this. You don't got to be viral. You got to be yourself. Be exactly who you are. Stay true to who you are. Do not copy anybody else that you see. Be yourself. I don't care if there's 10 million people doing the same thing as you. You be you. That's it. That's all. Because if you're copying somebody else that's viral, people gonna know, and they gonna tell you not such and such. And it's like, I'm not trying to be her. Yes, you are. And it's not even that you're not trying to be her, but if you watch them, if you watch your competition, you're gonna 9 times out of 10 start doing and saying stuff that they're saying. So I don't recommend to watch your competition, but we'll talk about that in another video. The competition video, we'll talk about that if that's what y'all want. Y'all just let me know. But anyways, it got to like thousands of people in the room. This is why I say don't kick nobody out. When you're in that building phase, do not remove no one from your live. I can't stress this enough. Do not remove anyone from your live, because everyone is important to your numbers. Keep your goal in your mind when you go live. That's all you got to do. Keep your goal in your mind when you go live. What's your goal in your mind? What is that, Sarchiana? You want to be monetized. You trying to do this in 3 weeks. Hell, you trying to do it in 2 weeks so you can brag about it. You can come back in my face like, took you 3, but baby girl, I got it in 2. And I'm like, okay, girl, do your thing. Do your big one, because I'm proud of you. It's enough of it for all of us. Don't kick them out, because let's just say you got to get 4,000 watch hours. Not minutes. Hours. That's a lot. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's a lot. But if you make a 10-minute video, somebody can watch your video from start to finish. Okay, shout out to y'all. But that's 10 minutes. One person is watching for 10 minutes from start to finish. That's 10 minutes out of that hour. You picking up what I'm putting down? You got to make one 10-minute video. One person watch one 10-minute video from start to finish. That's 10 minutes to your hour. And you need 4,000 of those guys. But if you go live, you see where I'm going? If you go live for 1 hour and it's 700, 800 people in your room, guess what? They're watching. That's an active watch hour. So you just focus on entertaining the people that you have in your room. Each device counts as one person. Each device counts as one person. This is why I say don't kick nobody out of your room. Each device counts as one person. What does that mean, Starchiana? So if you make a video for 10 minutes, one person is watching that one video from start to finish for 10 minutes. That's 10 minutes towards your watch hours. But if you're on live for 1 hour, talking, interacting with people, keeping your chat positive, upbeat, then guess what? Those 600 people watching for 1 hour, that's now 600 hours towards your public watch hours. So don't it sound like it's easier to just hello? And that's another way for you to build subscribers. When people are in there, they're talking to you, they get to see your personality, they get to feel you out, they know what you're talking about, they know what you're doing, they like your vibe or they don't like your vibe. We're gonna leave them in there because they helping you. And make sure you mention, hey, I'm still new here. Make sure y'all subscribe. Tell me the kind of stuff that y'all want to see. Have conversation with them. If you don't have no conversation with them and you're just looking at them, then 9 times out of 10, you're probably going to be having 2, 3, 4, 5 people in your room. Be consistent. Be consistent. People say that junk used to piss me off. I'm asking people like, okay, what do I need to do for content? What do I need? I want to be a content creator. I want to be a content creator. Everybody like, be consistent, and they just leave it at that. Blah, blah, blah. It don't be consistent. When I say be consistent, I want you to consistently show up every single day. Like you would show up for your job, I need you to show up. So that's the biggest thing that I wanted to take from it. I believe that I touched on everything that I used. Again, if you have any questions at all, leave it in the comment section. Reach out to me, get my attention, something. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be posting more videos, helpful videos, because I literally want everybody to be a content creator. I told my OGs, if you know, this is where we started it. I'm so thankful and I'm so grateful for all of y'all. If you have been watching me, then you know we started content creation right here, same spot, same car. I'm grateful for y'all, and if I can do it, you can do it.